We're at Wattamolla Beach and Waterfall right now, and it is towards the end of May, so it's quite cold. As you can see, there's no bridge access to the other side of the beach. Normally there would be when the weather is warmer, but because it's quite cold, it's not really ideal temperature to go to the beach. You can see there that there's the waterfall. It falls into the lagoon, and the lagoon goes out towards the beach. Now there are people on the other side of the beach. They probably would have waded through the water to enjoy the beach on the other side. Now after this, there are some photos of the wildlife. Enjoy. Now diving from the waterfall is prohibited. You can see the fences there as people have been injured. And now we are into August, so the bridge is down and people have access to the beach. This is some of the wildlife that I managed to take pictures of. So what you're seeing here is the top of the waterfall. It is a little bit dry because there has not been a lot of rain, but people can actually go on the rocks and take some pictures as well. Before we left, this fairy wren came to send us off.